Jagdeep Dhankar does not have the right to hold on to his chair.
देश के लिए बताऊंगा, मिटाऊंगा। The notice of Dr. John Brittas.
हाउस को नहीं चलाना ये अगर तय करके आए हैं तो यू आर किलिंग द डेमोक्रेसी.
He is raising an issue which you have rejected.
A non-confidence motion against the Vice President of India is a serious parliamentary procedure that can have significant implications for the country's governance. Hello everyone, welcome to DDN. Today we are going to understand India's some political key issues. To understand this process, let's break it down step by step. First, what is a non-confidence motion? A non-confidence motion is a formal proposal moved by the members of parliament expressing their lack of trust in the vice president's ability to perform their duties. In this case, the motion is being considered against Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, who is also the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the upper house. Why is the opposition moving this motion? The opposition parties, led by the Congress, are moving this motion due to allegations of partisanship against the vice president. They claim that Dhankar has been favoring the ruling NDA party and suppressing the voices of opposition MPs. What is the procedure for moving a non-confidence motion though? To move a non-confidence motion, a notice must be submitted to the Rajya Sabha Secretary General, signed by at least 50 MPs. The notice must specify the grounds for the motion and provide 14-day notice before the motion can be debated. Next, we're gonna talk about what are the implications of a non-confidence motion. If the motion is passed, it can lead to the removal of the vice president from office. However, this requires an effective majority through votes in Rajya Sabha and agreed by the Lok Sabha with the simple majority. Given the current numbers in Rajya Sabha, it's unlikely that the opposition will be able to muster the required majority. What does this mean for the Indian politics? This non-confidence motion is a significant development in Indian politics as it highlights the growing tension between the ruling party and the opposition. Even if the motion is not passed, it can still have a significant impact on the functioning of the Rajya Sabha and the relationship between the government and the opposition. In conclusion, the non-confidence motion against the Vice President of India is a serious parliamentary procedure that reflects the growing tensions in Indian politics. While its outcome is uncertain, it's clear that this development will have significant implications for the country's governance and the relationship between the ruling party and the opposition. Well, that's all for the today's video. If you have liked the video, then share it with your family and friends. What do you think that this non-confidence motion is according to you, and how it is impacting today's politics in India? Do you support this, and do you think that it is the need of the hour today? Let me know in the comment section what are your views, and we will lead for our next video from your suggestions only, which we will find in the comment box. Stay tuned for more such video content and subscribe to DDN.